Looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and every luxury option you could possibly imagine? You've come to the right place. Look at this certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland in diamond black pearl. With BI-XENON high-intensity headlamps, 20-inch tech gray aluminum wheels, power liftgate, remote start system, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, backup camera, heated and vented front row seats, rear seat dual screen Blu-ray and DVD player, panoramic sunroof, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, QUADRA-TRAC 2 4-wheel drive system, park assist and backup camera, SIRIUSXM radio, QUADRA-LIFT air suspension, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3151A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.